Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about how to remove Made with AI label in your post on Instagram. This is quite easy to do, so without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So first, let's go to Instagram, then go to your profile, and then select the post where you want to remove the AI label. As you can see, this post has an AI label. To remove this, just tap on the three dots, then tap on Edit. After that, you will have to tap on this AI info right here. And when this appears, just toggle it off. Then tap on Done button. Now to see the changes, you just have to go back to your profile and refresh your page. Now if we tap on this post again, as you can see, the AI label is not visible here anymore. And there you have it. That's how you can simply remove Made with AI label on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.